All right, man, what is going on? Happy Friday, May 8th, right? 7:43 p.m. Got Ruben tonight doing State of the Market.
Uh,
And we counted some money, we did some trades, or we got some trades going here. Trade ideas. Don't think we need to go over that again. We just want to talk about the 7 wins right now. So, man, Ruben, I gotta be honest, man. I've been recording this thing for the past, I think, month by myself, and I be yawning. There's one session I just literally fell fucking asleep. I'll be honest.
mm,
Yeah, this is not fun, man. And I feel like this is even worse to watch. But one
mm,
day, probably gonna look back and want to know what I was doing. So this kind of, I think this is gonna help with that. And shit, I might even look back and be like, damn, how was I making more money back then than I am now? You know?
yeah.
That might be me. So I just like to keep a record of things. It's kind of fun. Um, yeah, but thanks for being here, man. If you aren't, I'd be yawning every 5 seconds, man. This shit's just not fun to explain. But the reason we do it is to get in flow of the market, try to catch some trades, try to make some money, get a little bit richer, collect dividends, have
Mm,
thoughts. The thoughts are important, man. And you'll notice that I don't have any thought. Usually I have one lined up, right? This week though, fucking airhead. Not even thinking. Anyway,
yeah.
yeah, we'll get to the thought though. Bitcoin, man, that's stage two, easy, right?
Where was that though? Right at the fucking 200.
Yep. And if you pull the chart back, man, we're pushing up on this anchor point, which is resistance. So, you
Mm,
know, and you notice the resistance often, or support often becomes resistance. And that's what we're pushing up on right now. Maybe we break through this thing and head back to 100K, and we'll see what happens. But, you know, right now it's a 2. I think last week it was 70 RSI, right? No, I don't think so. I didn't mark it, but it looks like it got close.
I think that was this week that it got close.
Oh, that was a couple days ago. Yeah, that was this week.
Almost. Well, pretty much there. 68.
Yeah. Might as well put 70, huh?
Where will I go though? Little fucking
Yeah. This thing could
all
definitely
the heat.
run. Bitcoin can be on the 70 RSI for 3 months. Remember last summer? Yeah.
Yeah, that shit fucking ran.
Yeah. Thing was ext-
Fuck.
that thing was extreme the whole year. So, you know. RSI is good, but at some point it just stops working, man. You know? Now if you're trading though, if you bought into this range here, where February to April, the beginning of April, and you were buying BITX or some other 2X thing that I don't know about, man, you could be trimming some right here. You hit that 70 RSI, previous high, I mean, you could cut it. Would you want to cut it? I don't think so, but because it's Bitcoin, but you could take half of it, let the rest ride. Breaks that 20, get out, comes back in the box, put it back on. It's trading right there. Any thoughts on BTC, man?
No. Oh, I only have fucking. Man, my only position is CORY, and that shit doesn't even follow
Yeah,
in Bitcoin.
I know. Coinbase is ass.
What the fuck?
Coinbase might be Moderna though. If you want to go look at Moderna real quick next year.
Ah, fuck. I don't want to look at that.
Yeah, dude, this is
It's
even
fucking crazy.
worse.
Damn, bro.
Man,
It's still fucking running. Oh my god.
MRNY is doing its thing, paying out fat divs, uh, and what do you call it? Price
Cash appreciation.
appreciation.
Yeah,
And I
dude.
was selling it at the bottom.
Bullshit.
Man, that is not a good feeling right there, man. We giving Dow a 3. It didn't go 70. I mean, it would look like it was 70 right here. MACD's ticking
Good too.
down. TSI is flat. MFI is flat. We're at the 5. You look left, there's price right here, so I don't know. Now, the
So it
longer it
did.
goes sideways, the more I think he's gonna go up.
If you think that, you can probably give it a 3 then.
Yeah, that 20's catching up real close.
Oh.
My only thing is it went I don't know. I can't remember if it went extreme.
No, it didn't. Oh, actually, it did. On his
Mm,
peak on the 17th. Oh, that was on Friday, 17th.
yeah, I didn't write it down. It might have got like 68, and I didn't write it down.
You got higher than 68. I think on that day, you got like fucking 60, 69.
69. Yeah,
Yeah.
I should have wrote it down. I didn't write it. I'm gonna give it a 3, man. It basically went extreme.
No?
Does it have to go down? No, but if you're following the money flow, it goes sideways up, sideways down. Like, just look back here. Stage 1, sideways up, 2. This is a 3. The only way we know this is a 3 is because this came down into a 4, back to a 1 again. And just look how fast it came back. You know? This crash right here didn't give you much time to react. And it's even worse for me because I paid taxes right here, man, right in this week. So I literally did not have that long to prepare for a move. I was making moves, but just wasn't prepared for like a big ass,
Oh,
this you could change your life in this week here, this last month.
yeah, we could have.
Yeah. Go look at SOXX, man. Could have really done something crazy.
Which one?
SOXX, the semiconductor index. Look at that, man.
Oh,
Straight up, dude. Now, I don't think I would have caught this because I'm looking for deals. So when something comes down and goes side, that's what I'm looking for. But this thing, if you get rid of this back part or the recent part, like you're just looking at this. I mean, I'm waiting for like a stage 4. I mean, yeah, breaks the 20, comes back, and then just the whole month just straight up, bro. Like, wow. And then you can trade the 2x with the SOXL, and then you can get income with SOXY.
so I think Yield Boost has one too, no?
Yeah, XOXY.
Oh, this is Yield. Not Yield Boost is
Oh, Yield Max.
okay. Yield Max. I think Yield Boost is something else.
Damn, look at that, man. You're getting dividends, and this thing went fucking $30. It's crazy.
Uh-huh.
I'm sure they have one, right?
Yeah, I think it was the TSM though.
TSM is
no.
Taiwan Semiconductor. That's a company.
Oh,
Damn, they
SM
did
Y what?
124 billion in there. Damn.
Is it
Oh, that's Tesla.
SMY what?
That's Super Micron Computer. I mean, they're in the same sector. I don't know if that one went up though.
Oh, semi. Come on, bro. Fucking read, dude.
I mean, it did pop back to where it
Oh
was.
shit. Damn, this one actually followed nicely though, compared to other shit.
What are the dividends on this bad boy? 40 cents.
Pretty
40
good.
cents.
40 cents at 48. 60. It's paying 10%.
And it jumped $3.
Hey,
Can you go
that's
back
not
to
bad.
the Granite Shares page? How much is in the market cap? Go down. 92 million, dude. 92. I don't know why it staggers like that. That's just ugly. Makes no damn sense. But 92 mil, dude, and it's not on. It could be inflated because everything ran, but still, it's not on M1. Just
The
crazy.
Y best?
No, the semi, the semi.
No, the stability is 3.6 mil.
No, it
Oh, 3.
staggers. It staggers.
Huh?
The blue. You know what I'm saying? The amount and then the one on the right, it's staggered.
Staggered.
Yeah. Like go to
What do
the
you mean?
bottom. Go to that TM. Look.
This goes to that?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
That's what I'm saying, dude. I don't know what they're thinking. Does these even work? I was opening this website. I don't think these work anymore.
Fuck. That's
No,
interesting.
no, it's straight.
Oh, here it is. Look, now it's working.
Yeah.
Tesla, and then what the fuck is it?
Semi. 92
92.
mil, bro. 92 goddamn mil. It's crazy because there's some of these. Like, look, the Universe one is only 2 mil. Like, that's freaking sad. I wouldn't even.
Oh, which ones are looking at? How much is the cry one?
Yeah, Circle.
700. That's pretty low.
That one's new, though. But I think that one's probably going to go up. Depending on
Got
what
a
you do.
treasury one up there.
Yeah, the bonds one. They have a bunch of little ones. Oh, there's a meta one now? SPYY? I didn't know that. What is that? Oh, that's Micron something.
Mara. Yeah, I'm surprised they don't have this one. 92 mil.
Yeah, right?
You sure they don't have it?
Pretty sure. I looked the other day. It was just the four, the Bitcoin one, the Coinbase, the Nvidia, and the Tesla. Keep being logged out. Go to funds on the left. I don't know why this website's weird like that. Yeah, if you type Yield Boost, it'll show you the four that are on here.
Something else.
Yeah.
How do they? Oh, yep. I don't got it.
The XPTY doesn't even. Does it have that much money in there?
That one has. Where'd it go?
XPTY.
17.
17 mil.
Where's that one's on there?
I don't know why that was so low.
Okay. I've not seen this book pop. It's crazy. Oh. Gold is finally fucking going sideways
Look at this.
after a whole fucking year of running.
The XPTY is so sad. That's why you can't buy some of these things. Because on paper they're supposed to do something, and there's a chance they don't. And that's what this thing's doing. I mean, I don't think this one. These Yield Boost stocks don't really follow shit, you know. I mean, yeah, that kind of looks like in the video. Anyway, gold. Yeah, sitting pretty. One in the doji.
This one's um hard to forget because I remember last year this was running the time. It was around this time too.
Yeah, gold's reign of terror. Didn't buy a
I remember
single
that very
anything.
clearly
Yeah, just
from
watched it go
March
up
and
the whole
May.
year.
And that's when I started doing the state of the market.
Hmm. March.
That one I clearly remember.
March of last
It
year?
kept running and running. I think so.
I feel like you started
Probably before that, but
Christmas. Yeah, Christmas of one year.
yeah,
Something like
it
that.
was before that.
But
I
yeah.
think that's when I started adding money to my account.
Hmm. Yeah, should have been buying gold, man. Look at that
Ooh.
shit.
Hey, hey, 82 RSI.
Yeah, this one's crazy, dude.
That's
Boom!
insane.
Man, dude,
They gave you
go look at the TQQ. I'm telling you, bro.
you had 4 days to buy
It
the
gave
dip,
you
and that's it.
less than a week to prepare for this. Is that not crazy to you? Fucking
And
blows my mind. Like, you have to be ready for these things. That's why, like, a big problem, it's probably better because you got more time. But, like,
mm-hmm.
this, dude, you have to have your shit straight to play this game. But look where it
Yeah,
came
I'm still
down.
fucking paying bills.
Look at the anchor point on that one and then go back to last September, you know? Bouncing off where those anchor points are.
September,
September 2025. It's like
September
a
2025. Oh shit.
yeah, it's like a little bit, but it's still in that zone, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's bouncing off that like that gave you, and you only had 1, 2, 3, 4. You had 5 days, and then if you're chasing it, you still won, but I don't advise chasing. That's huge, man.
That's your fucking dip, so.
Yeah, go look at TQQQ. Like if you're trading, I could have done this too, man. You could borrow on M1 to buy this thing.
Hey,
You surely can,
insane.
right? Thing was $30 fucking. Man, I should have did it.
Like, why
Oh,
even trade fucking high volatility stock when you could just do fucking 2QQ?
right.
For the same shit.
Makes you mad when you look at it every week and you don't catch it. At least that's how I feel.
I mean, when you see a breakout like this, everyone at that point in time, everyone's just expecting it to drop back down. But
And it's a 75% margin requirement. So you could have had a little bit of money borrowed for that. Not a lot, but a little bit to catch a move, you know? Maybe a little two bands. What if you bought two bands at $30 and now it's fucking 75, dude? You just made free two bands. That's it. Yeah, man. That will always find a way to irritate me. How I look at these 7 things every week, and then I'm over here trading something else. I'm like, God, that shit was right in front of me. And to make a move like that too, it's like, geez, man, what are we doing? Why are we doing anything else? You know?
for real, I could have done that.
Yeah. And then you could also get. I think there's a yield boost of this one. I think there's a yield max one of this too. There's definitely yeah. There's all kinds of things you could buy off that, you know? I can't remember the ticker off my head, but definitely could. Is it QQQY? Is that crazy to think?
Wait, what?
The
The
income fund
fucking yield max?
for QQQ. Oh, you gonna buy a
Yeah.
you gonna buy a toolbox?
Oh yeah, I have it right here.
Why don't you go to Harbor Freight, get the whatever brand they
That
have
one's
there?
that's just whack.
So you
I
start
already did a
getting
little bit of research.
so you start getting
This
a
is the
little
best
money
one.
and you're gonna buy a husky.
Oh no, this is a cheaper one. Watch, I got a little bit off topic here, but a cheaper one.
I think you need to clear some room in your garage.
Or a fucking bike.
548. Yeah, that thing looks massive.
YQQQ? What the
Is it?
fuck is it?
No, that's the short.
Oh wait, you see this one?
What the hell?
Yeah. So this is the cheap option. They have 359. But you see how it's fucking ugly? It has like two small drawers
Yeah,
on each side. You go to this one, it's a little bit more expensive, but you get long
you get the big
drawers.
drawers. And you get a push handle.
Such one.
Oh, you got a small one over there.
Yeah, but the one they got me at work is where's it at? Ah, this is the one I have at work.
Hmm,
Fucking thing.
the icon.
Loaded up to the fucking the
Bluey
gills.
bands. Compared to Snap on.
That shit's
Oh,
blue.
bros, blue looks terrible.
That's the one I got, bro. I got a blue one.
For real? I
Yeah,
guess it's
everyone else got
blue
black or red.
for the
I'm like, that's
ceiling.
some bullshit.
Yeah. What about green? How does that look worse? At least.
Yep.
Yeah.
It doesn't look that bad, but
Mm,
I think blues is probably the worst one. Yeah,
damn.
free tools though. I'll take them.
Free tools.
Yep. Fuck them. Okay. I can't. Yeah, but okay. Got a little bit off topic.
Yeah, this stock stuff is boring, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. This shit is not fun at all. Zero fun, man. But I've been doing it so long that I just do it. Why is this
Well, you know what?
website so retarded?
I don't even know why I look at that. I could just put QQQ and look at the funds. It's me.
What is mini? There's some new ones here. QQQ, there's a lot of things in the world to
Got a
buy.
lot of bullshit, bro.
Yeah. Oh, look, they got a Roblox Yield Max now. Oh, it's this one, this QDTY. Is it YQQQ? I'm pretty sure YQQQ is a short. I'm like 99% sure this is a short. Man, how do I know these things?
How the fuck is this shit even pop? Eh?
That's why you gotta go to
Does it
the
even have?
website, dude. No, I'm telling you, they got a bunch of these things. Yield Max, Defiance, all these companies. Income, QQQY.
I don't think they have one.
They do. QQQY is the weekly one.
Bruh.
You just gotta know where to look. Because if you try to look off
No,
that
it's not.
search, Defiance. Well, it's a different company. Yield Max is QDTY. If you're looking strictly for Yield Max.
Hmm.
Yeah, but I think those. No, that's not Target 12.
Wow, this shit. It didn't even follow one for one either.
Mm-mm.
That shit kind of did, but
It's flying like crazy, but
QQQ
it's not doing
or
that.
better.
But they do different things. One's collecting income, and the other is just straight price appreciation.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you run this. E. Fine.
Yeah. It depends what you're trying to do. If you want to do a little bit of everything, you could buy the. You could put you QQQ in the. You could put QQQ in your buy and hold, right? In your trading account, you can have TQQY, or what was I saying? TQQQ, and then in your second income uh, account, you can have QQQY or QDTY, all type of shit.
Uh,
Yeah, it gets complicated, man.
mm,
Yeah, or you could just not participate too. You know, it's a pretty good idea.
Just watch it run.
Hmm.
Just watch it run.
Watch it run. Yep. Just watch it run, man. Do not participate. 10% in one day. TTXU. Direction Daily. Technology top 5. Yeah. So now there's the uh, XLK that we look at every week, and TECL is the 2X. And now they got Titan funds with this Direction Daily company. The technology top 5. I haven't looked what's in there, but it's just something on my radar. Because sometimes these things
Mm.
could be cheaper than TECL or all those other things, you know? Those things could be like $60, $80. And if this thing's like $15, then we could buy a shit ton, you know? And we're basically buying the same thing.
Oh, this shit fucking ran.
TLT?
Nah, fucking ATXU.
What?
The one you were looking at? That shit fucking ran.
TTXU?
Yep.
What do you mean?
See, I was just saying that shit ran.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, what? 14 to 27.
Yeah, that's fucking nutty. To be not making money right now in the stock market, it's crazy. Which I am not, because all the trades I got aren't going up. They're not going down, but they're not going up.
Yeah. Have you even done Bitcoin perpetuals anymore?
Mm, I've been trading other things, putting money in. I mean, I could probably drop a couple of some money in there. I haven't been doing it though. I'll take an eye. I'll take a look at it every now and then. You know, I'll just be
It
wondering
was
what
like
are
a
these
thousand,
things.
no?
Huh?
It was 1,000 in that one?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe 1,500.
Damn.
Yeah, no.
You fucking held.
Yeah, I would
You didn't
hold
know how
them
to stop.
overnight and wake up to no money.
Yep.
That's what I would do.
I remember that shit, bro.
Yeah, that's a
Fucking.
dangerous game right here,
What?
man. Yeah. But what if you go to sleep and wake up to money, though? See, that's the game I was playing.
Shit.
And I was playing at the wrong time, dude. If I was playing that game right now, shit. A
Damn.
thousand dollars
You're
at
fucking up.
10x, dude? Man, you could buy whatever the hell you want when you do that. Man. One day. But yeah, I've been watching it because I got the chart set up in here. It's pretty cool. I got BTC perp and then I got the ETH perp too.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, so it's just on all the lower time frames. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minute, and the 1 hour. Do I trade it? No, but am I watching? Sometimes. Not as much as I should. And I just spent a lot of money on trades. So I think I still have some, you know. But essentially, one day I want to have my Fugma capital just buy a bunch of Bitcoin or a bunch of whatever, you know. You borrow
Yep.
against it, take that, maybe try to do something crazy with it, you know, or I don't know, or just build a bag when you don't own a loan, you know, take that money. You didn't work for that money, you know, you just bought the thing and it paid you. Take that money,
Yes, sir.
see if you go double it, triple it, 1,000x it, you know. And if you lose it, it's not like you went to work to, you know, work hard 40 hours a week, do all that shit to do that. It's more like you had this thing that just pays you every week, and it at some point you just got so big, you're like, let me do something with it. Yep. Oh my god. All right, man. Let's finish this already.
Yes, sir.
Spy, same thing. 270 RSI. TLT is a 1. USO. You could give it a 3. You could probably give it a 1. Price is at the 20. It was extreme. I'm giving it
This
3.
option is not bad.
Spy. QQQ. Or QQQ Spy. Oil. Dow. 3 or 4. Bitcoin 5. Gold 6. And bond 7, man. That's what I got for the week.
Mm.
That's
Is
what I
there?
got for the week. Does Bitcoin deserve to be at 5? I don't know. But I know that
Okay.
if you
One
look
of the
at
slowest.
my notes, it looks like it should be third. But I don't think I could give oil any lower because it might run
TC.
again, you know?
Yeah, fucking oil did.
Yeah. You
Never
never know.
expected it to do this bullshit.
Yeah,
Just
dude.
warned prices was getting down to like $3.
For like for like a week, dude. Man.
Yep, and then boom, shut
Boom!
up.
Yeah. That shit's crazy. Absolutely wild, man.
Yeah. Put a speed on the fucking sectors.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right.
Mm, the fucking one.
I'm gonna give it a 1. We got an anchor point in the
All right.
box. But we do have this right here. You know, it could be resistance, but I'm gonna give it a 1. XLC.
Outside of for a good minute.
Uh, fuck, dude. This shit looks like RE last year. It's just like,
Accelerate.
yeah, it looked like real estate last year.
Fucking whip question.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna just give this a 1. Buy it if you want. Ooh,
What the fuck?
XLE. This is a 4.
I expect this.
Nope. It's a weak 4 though, because we're at support.
Yep.
We could build right here. Hold that anchor point. That might be a buying opportunity. And if oil starts running again, we can trade that 3x.
Sure.
XLF. It didn't go extreme. MACD is ticking down.
This is look the best.
Huh.
The ones like these. Let's put. Bam. Put it one.
I agree. XLI. Looks the same. It's the last one except up.
Looks a little better.
Yeah. It is above the
Everything's
20.
just looking.
It's above the 20, but it's right at the moving averages there.
Hey, I love sneak peek of the next one. Looks crazy.
Got a sneak peek.
Yep. It's
Boom!
fucking insane.
And 270 RSI.
Insane.
Now, hold
I
on now.
mean, you can fucking put 80. A fucking 80 on stuff.
Let's go look at TechL real quick.
Oh, it's reached it. No, I don't think it's ever reached this high of RSI. That
High
shit.
it's ever been. That's why people will say we're in a bubble.
What the fuck? Insane. Insane.
Yeah. Are we in a bubble? I don't know. If we are, man, hopefully my loans are paid off by then and I have cash saved up for a move.
Hey, all right. XLP.
That one run?
Really cool.
It's a steady 2.
Two. I'll give it a one.
1. I mean, you could. Yeah,
Well,
you could buy it here.
82.
It is
I
above.
don't know if I.
Look at the numerical alignment of the 5 EMA, 10 EMA, and the 20 SMA. That fanning you see there
Yep.
is spread out. That bad boy's running. I mean, you can still buy it here. It ain't going much higher. It didn't pop like our technology stocks, but I'm giving it two. But if you could buy it, ones are a buy,
Mm-hmm.
so we could.
What is this? Consumer staples?
Yeah, like
What is that?
Walmart,
Pepsi?
Costco, Pepsi, Dr Pepper, Coke. Costco would be one to get some weekly income off, especially since I go there every
Fucking
week.
third nugget?
Ooh, the tenders.
The third tenders?
Hmm. Turns out, dude, there's only tenders at 5 locations. That's
Hey,
fucking sickening.
and Clovis ain't one of them.
They're
Uh,
in Chicago, man. In
a
your old,
little field trip right there.
yeah, your old neck of the woods, dude. You need to go to Chicago. Get some, get some tenders.
Chicken from my fucking hometown.
They said that it's 1,500 calories. Feel like that's a lot for 5 tenders and just sauce. No fries, no slaw, no bread.
Oh, well,
No, yeah, just you know, the basics, man. Just a kid's meal at that point.
no slot's tragic.
Hmm. You know the bread is healthier than the slaw.
Oh, fucking double bread.
Yeah,
Funny, huh?
yeah, I know. That's crazy because you think having greens is healthy, but it's not.
That's because it has what does it have?
The mayo.
I knew it was male. I just don't want to say it. I was like, is it male?
Yeah, yeah, the mayo in there.
You could even do triple bread and it'll be fucking relatively healthy.
Triple bread, no fries.
Yeah, that's insane though. I would never do that.
Triple bread is fucking. That's some old world shit right there. I would need me another sauce for sure. Triple
But
bread.
triple bread, you could do that. Fucking really trying to be healthy.
Triple bread.
At that point, why even get Kings? Shit. But yeah, the coleslaw, that's an
I,
easy switch.
I wonder if they would get mad at me for going triple bread.
Triple bread.
I wonder if that would raise some eyebrows.
Just, when they say this, would that be it? Be like, actually, can I also get an extra bread on top of that?
On the side, please.
That's side.
Hmm.
Uh,
You know what? Let me get a piece of bread for every tender on the Kenya combo. Why not? Let's go crazy. Why the fuck not? See? Now we're thinking there. XLU, we might be able to make a move in the UTSL. And then right here, if you look at the Titan funds, I don't think we have a utility one yet. But watch when they make a utility one of this. It's going to be nice. Right now we got biotech, energy, which is oil, semiconductors, semiconductor bear, technology bull, technology bear. Not a lot of options with it.
What's the semi?
TSXU.
Oh, GS.
TSXU. You're looking at the energy one. TSXU.
Yep, went from 2x
Man,
2x.
that's a Titan right there. Would you dare short this thing? TSXD. I mean, it's the cheapest ever it's ever gonna be if we're in a bubble, you know.
What what's the semiconductor? What is
Yeah.
the semiconductors?
Huh?
What is
TSXD.
it? What does it track though?
The SOXX.
SL.
What are you looking at, dude?
SLXS.
SOXX.
Oh,
No, SOXX. Let me show you, dude. SOXX. This one.
Fox. Stocks. Follow sucks.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, you can't really predict shit like this though. One day you're fucking there, boom. Next thing you know, you're fucking wasting your money.
Man, tell me about it. TSXD. Yeah, dude, if you want to buy the Bear semiconductor, if we're in a bubble and you get that shit right, man, be on top of the world.
40. Yeah, maybe on the 40 it's fucking 80 RSI.
Ripping.
Shit. Doesn't look like it's coming down anytime soon.
Same thing though. I mean, it came down, but it didn't gap down. Came back, got above that 20. Boom, opened up. And we've been flying ever since. Yeah. Crazy, man. Are you watching Instagram right now, Ruben?
Nah,
Oh,
they're gonna decrease yours.
oh. Did
Also,
you?
the guitars.
You got any thoughts of the week?
Uh, just fucking. Let me see if I can find one.
Honestly, man, I haven't really heard anything cool in a while. I'd just be making shit up. And then, on top of that, dude, I've been just trying to survive, I'm gonna be honest.
Survive?
Yeah, not like financially, but
Oh,
I took this lady's spot at work, and dude, they've been fucking working me like the dog I am. Yeah, they're doing the
they're working your
opposite.
shit.
Oh, yeah, dude. You're doing every fucking thing.
I finally started. My body finally started to get used to heavy work again.
Mm.
Took a while though. Took fucking what? Almost 2 months.
Did you have to bring out the bum?
The bun?
The caffeine?
Oh no! Well, I always take that shit in the morning because I work out before work.
For real?
Yep.
I've been working on the morning too.
But no, just in general, my fucking body would be so fucking maxed out by the end of the day.
Mm.
Now I'm getting used to it again. I'm starting
Nice.
to feel like back to the point when I was doing construction. Because I've known hard labor before.
Mm.
Like I'll talk to some of my coworkers and they'll be like, "Oh, just wait for till summer." I'm like, "I've worked fucking summer. This is a steady job, bro. You ain't doing much. Like you don't know summer, bro. The fuck."
Mm-mm.
But I'll respond to them. I'll be like, "Yeah, can't wait for that."
Mm-hmm.
Because I know it's gonna be ass regardless. But yeah, fucking, I've done my fair share of summertime fucking construction.
You did your dues.
Yep.
Sending you a
But finally,
video of me doing
oh, what?
deadlifts. Sending you a video of me doing deadlifts in the morning before work.
Mm-hmm.
Been trying to work out in the morning too. This morning I just did pull ups.
I switched back over to an upper lower split.
Mm.
Just because it's easier to stay consistent.
I did squats on, I think it was either Sunday or Monday, and my knee didn't hurt. But now the left side of my back, like the bottom left side, it's kind of tweaked a little bit.
Hey,
I don't know if like I moved myself in a way so my knee wouldn't hurt, and then I hurt my back a little bit, but
probably
it's
what it
healed up
was.
now. But like for half this week, dude, it was like tight. So yeah, I feel okay now though. So this weekend, figure out what to do. Maybe do back again, because I did back in the morning, but I feel like I
Yep.
didn't go as hard as I should have because of my lower back was hurting.
Hey,
So
not bad, not bad.
yeah, and that was at like I think I wait no, I woke up to bench at 4 in the morning. That deadlift was like at 5, probably pushing
Probably
into
the afternoon.
6, huh?
5 in the morning or 5 in the afternoon?
In the morning. Been working
Oh, in the
out,
morning.
yeah, in the morning before work. I've been wanting to go to sleep earlier, wake up earlier. It hasn't really been working. I'm gonna be honest. Kind of just stay up and watch reels and bullshit. There's one, there was one night though I slept at like 9 and I got up at 4, and that was pretty cool.
Oh shit. Um,
Hmm?
talking about work. You
Hmm.
seen the pay stub?
Yeah.
Is that shit correct?
You don't see the 5,000?
Nah, cause that's with my double time. I don't know if you noticed.
Some of it goes to the pension though. That's why.
But wouldn't the regular pay, or can you pull it up on your screen?
Let me quit this recording so I don't dox you.